This is Steve Nomura in Chicago. Right now, I'm on the way to Fidelity National Title in the 95th Street in the south side of Chicago. This is my 203rd closing. This property is located in the south side of Chicago. It's maybe 15 minutes away from home. But nice Chicago bungalow. Condition is not bad at all. But I don't do any big rehabbing work. I just update many things, but I just rent it out. Okay. Then anyway, I'm gonna go into Fidelity National Title to close the deal, and after that, maybe I can go back to the property and show you the condition of the property, and then I'm gonna explain to you what I'm gonna do. Thank you. Hi, this is Steve Nomura. We just closed this 203rd deal. This is a very regular deal, and then nothing special. I just bought in cash, and then from the beginning, I'm negotiating with the seller by myself. Then we came to agreement and just buying. Okay, so it's a little bit motivated to sell, and then I don't think there's no such a big problem with the property. I can upgrade, leave it, and then I can rent out immediately. From now on, I'm going to the property. I show you the inside. Thank you. I just came to the property. I just purchased the title company. Okay, this is called Chicago Bungalow. And this is a very typical style. And as you look at this situation, the condition is not so bad. Therefore, my motivation to buy this property is not such a big rehabbing to sell for the profit. I just update, and then I'm gonna rent out this property. All right. I'm standing in the living room. If you see this kind of big wood, like a, how do you call it, frame. This is so rare. I never see this kind of thing so often. Therefore, it's very precious. Anyway, floor is not so bad. Therefore, we're gonna sand and finish hard floor. Also, all baseboards, also shoe molding, also wood. Therefore, we're gonna polish and then make it nice. And then this is the dining room. Maybe we can use this chandelier, nice. Then kitchen also, very good condition. Okay, this is the kitchen. Then this is a plastic. Therefore, at least I can change this to granite. But this kitchen cabinet is not so bad. It's a little bit shorter, 30-inch one, but I'm gonna use this. Okay, all appliances are stays. They're very nice. Looks new. Okay, I'm gonna use this. Then this is a bedroom. 2 bedrooms on the first floor, 1 and 2, and then I just fix some walls and paint. That's it. And then this is a bathroom, 1 bathroom on the first floor. Okay, this also looks good. Okay, I don't do anything so much. Right, I just keep everything in here. Then let's go to the second floor. Right now, this stairs to the second floor is in this main bedroom. Therefore, this is something we have to do. Therefore, originally, this is a wall, and they are separated from this room and this room. They combine after they tear down the walls. Therefore, I'm gonna make another wall on this area. I can make some like a hallway or some space and going to the second floor. Okay, let's go to the second floor. Okay. I don't know when, but they made a dormer on the second floor. Therefore, it's a quite big second floor living space. And there's 1, 2 bedrooms and 1 full bath. We're going to take out all carpet. And we're going to install the vinyl planks. As I said, as you see that this is electrical heating. This is not comply with the code. Therefore, we're going to take out everything, and we're going to install furnace from the basement. And then, as I said, this is a big bedroom, 1, 2 bedrooms. Then everything looks okay. Then this is also 1 full bath. Everything stays. Okay, we're gonna keep everything as it is. Now, if you look at the ceilings, okay, this looks old, but at this moment, I have no plan to change entire ceiling to the dry walls. We're gonna keep this ceiling as is. All right, let's go to the basement. Okay, this is an unfinished basement. I have no plan to do anything for this basement. We just keep it as is. Maybe the renter can use this space for just storage, right? This is a laundry area, and also here's a radiator and the hot water tank. Maybe the biggest project for this property is I'm gonna take out this radiator system. Then I'm gonna install a furnace from the furnace and then go into first floor and second floor. Then I'm gonna cover the entire heating system from this big furnace. And also I'm gonna install the new big hot water tank. Okay, this is not such a big project, therefore maybe it's gonna be finished within a month or so, maybe at most 2 months. I'm gonna show you the process next time. Thank you.